Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn advanced selectors in CSS. So using classes we have seen, and as a class selector we have applied for classes independently for each independent HTML element. So now in this lecture you will be learn how we can apply these selectors in advanced way. So let's see, I'm preparing a simple h1 tag. For h1 tag only I'm writing, and center aligned heading, center aligned heading, and one more p tag I'm taking for like read and center aligned text will be followed this. So two things I have taken. So here it is. So now see, I'm applying a simple like my favorite class I'm writing here, to making inside like text alignment is center, and color to be like yellow or red or green, blue, anything we can add, and background color, sorry, it's a red, yeah, red. So the background hyphen color, background color I'm going to write it is in a blue, black, blue, violet, anything you may take. I'm not very clear to applying these colors and all, so just a example purpose I'm taking all these colors. Alright, now class I'm applying like my fav for this. So save it, run it. So it is applied for red, and if we take in a white, awesomely it will be shows. Like let's see white. Yeah, save it. Wow, center aligned heading. So clearly we have a scene here. So the same class if I applied for paragraph also will be applied for like my favorite class. Save it and reload. Wow, both are applied perfectly. Correct. So now you see, till now this lecture we have seen in our earlier lectures also. So in advancedly by applying of all this information, if we want to put universal selector by removing the classes, how we can apply universal selector? Just see, if I am removing, it won't be applied. So how I can put it as a universal? Just by putting star over here. That's it, star, that's it. Now go to here, reload. Wow, to entire background and center alignment, text are showing white, all are applying for complete whole universal anywhere in the page, that all are applied independent properties and applicable values. How simple and how sweet it is. Similarly, I'll explain you one more thing. For this we can also specify what tag, like a tag grouping, HTML elements or tag grouping, how it would be like h1 or h2 is not there, so paragraph, and a div if it is there, div. These all are, we can write independent things here, making a grouping, and we can apply. Now reload it. See, these all are coming. If other than tag, if anything, if you are written here, that won't apply this. Which are the tags you are applied grouping by making a comma and specifying the names of the tags, you will get here for the what the class is added. So I hope it's a very simple and easy lecture for you, to making a great understanding of advanced selectors by seeing grouping, independent and universal. So practice very well to apply and making more customization of your program. So I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.